In a world filled with opportunities for side hustles and passive income streams, finding the right products can make all the difference. Imagine investing just $5 into a product that generates a steady monthly income of $5,000. It might sound too good to be true, but with the right knowledge and strategy, it's entirely possible. In this video, we will unveil 5 must-have products that cost only $5 each and can potentially bring in a monthly income of $5,000. Moreover, we'll guide you on where to find these lucrative items. E-books and digital guides. In the digital age, knowledge is power, and people are constantly seeking information. Creating your own e-books or digital guides can be a low-cost endeavor with high profit potential. You can write about topics you're passionate about, share your expertise, or even compile helpful how-to guides. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Gumroad offer easy ways to publish and sell your digital products. With proper marketing and a solid niche, your $5 investment could turn into a steady stream of passive income. Print-on-demand merchandise. Print-on-demand services have revolutionized the world of e-commerce. You can design and sell custom merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, without ever holding inventory. Websites like Printful and Printify allow you to create and sell products featuring your designs, all for a minimal upfront cost. A well-designed t-shirt with an eye-catching slogan can easily become a hit, generating thousands of dollars in sales each month. Dropshipping products. Dropshipping is another popular and cost-effective way to start an e-commerce business. With dropshipping, you partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping while you focus on marketing and sales. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up your online store. Invest your $5 in product research and marketing, and you could be selling trendy and profitable products without ever holding physical inventory. Mobile apps and games. If you have a knack for coding or app development, investing $5 in app or game development tools can lead to a lucrative income stream. With millions of smartphone users worldwide, a well-designed and entertaining app can generate substantial revenue through ads, in-app purchases, or premium downloads. Platforms like Apple's App Store and Google Play Store offer a global audience for your creations. Affiliate marketing campaigns. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. With just $5, you can invest in building a website or creating content to promote affiliate products in a specific niche. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a vast array of affiliate products to choose from. Successful affiliate marketers can easily earn thousands of dollars monthly by driving traffic and conversions. Where to find these products? Finding the right products is crucial for success in any of these ventures. Here are some tips on where to find the products mentioned above. E-books and digital guides. Create and publish your own on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Gumroad, or even your personal website. Print-on-demand merchandise. Utilize services like Printful, Printify, or Printora to customize and sell merchandise without holding inventory. Dropshipping products. Partner with suppliers on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or use established dropshipping marketplaces like AliExpress. Mobile apps and games. Develop your own apps and games and distribute them through Apple's App Store, Google Play Store, or other app distribution platforms. Affiliate marketing campaigns. Sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, or look for affiliate opportunities within your niche.